इंडिविजुअल सेंसर को कैसे चेक करना है, तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Okay. Yes. If this is not connected, so if you replace the sensor, try not to push it and turn at the same time because you may bend the pins inside, so it's much more problems. So try to make sure that it goes in, then like that. If you want to take pictures or anything for your future reference, you can do so, no problem. Oh, can you help me?
आप वीडियो बना रहे हैं? हाँ, शेयर कर दीजिए मुझे, बाकी देख वीडियो बनाते हैं.
Okay, so yeah, you can.
कंप्लीट किट है आपके साथ में.
So this is whatever signal from the sensor is RS-485. So you're just converting it through the USB so that you can connect to your PC.
अभी क्या है, पावर है तो सिर्फ ये दोनों सेंसर की कम्युनिकेट है.
Okay.
तो सर ये यहाँ से दिया तो
Normally recommend you can do the changes through the software or through the cable like this, what I'm doing. Okay, but not highly recommended for customers because part of the reason is that you may be confused, you have problems. So the best way is that to change, use this method.
wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is correct.
Okay, so now I can
This is called DP software, you know, it is DP software.
correct.
Individual check. Yeah, that's
So
right.
what I need to do is actually to find out the connection point from here, the port.
Earlier we are connecting through the Ethernet. Now
Correct.
we will connect it through the COM port.
Correct.
COM port. RS-282 or RS-485.
So
Serial communication.
my COM port is number 3. So when you install, I think you go to device manager. Device manager. If you have your service computer also, I can help you to set up one shot. If you have, I can help you to set up one shot. So right now it's 3. So what I need to do is that change this to 3. Port number 3.
ये पोर्ट देख लेना कौन सा लगा है.
Okay. And port number 3. Right. So the other thing is that the port rate. Okay, I could try first. Okay, I cannot find anything, so I need to change. It should be not erased, right? Because I never connect.
Connected. Okay. Not connected to USB to take the signal, so
I'm
how can I?
testing. Okay. Right. So I managed to connect. This is scan network. Okay. Should I do it again or should I repeat again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maybe I disconnect. Close this one. All. Rate is 230K. Okay. For your sensor. Okay.